Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wolverine in Marvel Rivals. Wolverine is a formidable melee duelist, known for his aggressive playstyle and incredible damage. His primary attack, Savage Claw, unleashes quick, powerful slashes. A key to his survival is the regenerative healing factor, which helps him recover health. Also, his Berserker Rage passive boosts his damage output as he stays in the fight. Mastering Wolverine's abilities is crucial for success. Feral Leap allows you to quickly jump towards enemies, grab them, or make a swift exit. Vicious Rampage is your go-to for quick dashes, offering both mobility and an additional claw strike. Remember to use Undying Animal just before you dive into combat. It provides a temporary damage reduction, making you more resilient during your initial assault. Hey everyone, quick break here. If you're enjoying this guide and finding it useful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, imagine setting the perfect gaming ambience with voice commands. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. When playing Wolverine, focus on flanking isolated enemies. Your primary targets should be vulnerable duelists or strategists. Keep an eye on your regenerative healing factor. Assists and eliminations can reduce its cooldown. Always use Vicious Rampage and Feral Leap to quickly get into the fight, and more importantly, to escape if things get too heated. Knowing when to disengage is as vital as knowing when to attack. Wolverine thrives with good team synergy. Pairing him with vanguards like Hulk or Magneto provides excellent frontline support and opportunities for powerful team-up abilities. Support heroes such as Mantis or Luna Snow can significantly boost his survivability. Be aware of his counters. Heroes with strong crowd control, long-range attacks, or aerial mobility can make Wolverine's life difficult. Adapt your playstyle based on the enemy team composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.